The former ANC President Jacob Zuma has made it clear that he intends to remain within the African National Congress despite his expulsion, vowing to rescue the party from what he perceives as a departure from its founding principles. In a recent podcast, Zuma revealed his ambition to take over the ANC, arguing that the current leadership has abandoned the values of the party's ancestors. This revelation comes amid escalating tensions following Zuma's legal battle against his expulsion, which he claims was procedurally flawed. Last week, Zuma issued a legal ultimatum to the ANC demanding the reversal of his expulsion by January 31. In a letter through his attorney, Thabiso Kwinana, Zuma argued that both the ANC's National Disciplinary Committee and the National Disciplinary Committee of Appeal had violated due process in reaching their decision. He has threatened to take the matter to court if his membership is not reinstated. Zuma has maintained that his expulsion is rooted in internal factional politics rather than genuine disciplinary concerns, a claim that highlights the broader power struggles plaguing the ANC. In a candid admission, Zuma explained his strategy for staying within the ANC despite his public criticisms and expulsion, and said if I was not a member of that organization, it will be very difficult to try to change it from the inside. They will ask what I wanted from their organization when I was not a member, and that will be the end of the debate. Although Zuma stated his intention to remain in the party, he controversially added that he would not vote for the ANC in its current form, and said, I want to remain there as a member, but I'll never vote for them. I'm remaining there deliberately so that I have an opportunity to take over the organization. Zuma's plans to reclaim the ANC underscore the division within the party, which has been grappling with internal conflicts and ideological shifts in recent years. Political analysts have weighed in on the implication of his statements. Professor Spamandla Zondo from the University of Johannesburg noted that Zuma's criticisms stem from a belief that the current ANC leadership aligns with what he describes as white monopoly capital and the liberal right, and that Zuma views this faction as fundamentally different from the one he once led, and he believes it needs to be confronted. Zondo also highlighted the phenomenon of dual membership within the ANC, an issue that has reportedly caused friction within the party, and said it's happening already, even the ANC does not officially permit it. Political analyst Sandile Swana cast doubt on Zuma's chances of regaining his membership and said he cannot readily rejoin the ANC because he was expelled, and his appeals are likely to face significant opposition. He argued that Zuma's tenure as a president eroded the party's structural integrity, deepening the conflict between him and the ANC. Swane added that the ANC does not permit dual membership outside the tripartite alliance, and Zuma's past actions have further alienated him from the party's current leadership. As the ANC gears up for its next elective conference, Zuma's renewed calls for leadership change add another layer of uncertainty to the party's already fraught internal dynamics. His insistence on rescuing the ANC from within is both a challenge to the current leadership and reflection of the broader ideological battles that have come to define the party's recent history. For now, Zuma's plan remains a source of debate and speculation. Whether his efforts will further divide the ANC or catalyze reform is yet to be seen. However, one thing is clear: Zuma's influence, even from the sidelines, continues to shape the political discourse within South Africa's ruling party. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.